Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Rough Builds. Today, my fuel pump went out on my 2008 Honda Civic. So I got the parts in and I'm about to just make a video of me replacing it. So here are the parts. I just got this eBay Chemso. This is what I used in the past. It's good. It flows what I need it to for my application. And then just, you got the filter and the other parts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go outside and start ripping out the back seats. Guys, show you how kind of all that works. It's pretty simple. This one specifically was in it already, so it's already wired up for it. Just plug and play. So you just take, all the fuel stuff out, and then you plug it in and you drop it back down, prime it up, and then you're ready to go. So it's pretty easy. Just thought I'd make a quick little video on it. All right, so the reason I knew mine was out, I came into my car the other day and I went to start it, and it started up for like 2 seconds and it just bogged out. So then after that, you turn your key on, you can usually hear the fuel pump because it's, loud enough for you to hear. And right now it's just, you don't hear anything turn on back here. And it's right under there, so you would hear it. You don't hear anything, so we'll go ahead and try and start it up real quick. Yeah, and she just doesn't want to even bite. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the back seats. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up on your trunk, unlock that. Way to get the back seats off. You got this lever and this lever. You literally just pull them. And then these come down. And then under here, you have these screws or bolts. I think it's on both sides. And then there's like one that's conjoined over there. You got the same thing for this side. Pull that one down. It's over here. So you want to just get those out. There's the one for the middle. So you just unbolt all those, and then these come off. And then there's a few more bolts for the bottom seat. All right, so these are also a 12 millimeter. At least mine are for all of them. So when you get them all out, these literally just pop right out. And you can just take them right out. Same for the other side. So you're gonna go ahead and do that. I forgot to add that there is another bolt right here. This goes into that second seat, and then once you get this one out, you just gotta grab that one and kind of finagle it that way, and it pulls right out. It has something that comes through here, and then a bolt goes through there. So don't forget that one. All right, and then for this bottom seats, there's one little, this is a 10 millimeter. You wanna just take that one out, and then you just grab the bottom and you pull up, and they unclip, and this whole entire thing comes out. So then after that, you're gonna wanna move this back a little bit. Take this plate off. These look like 12s. Take the 12s off, and then you want to take all of these bolts off, and then you'll be exposed to your fuel sending unit. All right, and then once you get this piece off, you're gonna have a bunch of connectors. This is gonna have a connector. This one just pops off of here, and then you just got to take this one off. You gotta undo this one, and then take this off, and then you can you have to unscrew this part. You have the proper tool, it's a lot easier. And then once you get that off, you can take the whole fuel sending unit out and change the fuel pump. All right, so we got the fuel sending unit out, put it in the bucket, put it in here. So then what you're gonna do, these have like 3 little clips. Just take those off, and this whole piece slides down. Make sure you're careful. There's wiring to your fuel sending, or your unit, or the level, level sending unit. Then your fuel pump's here, and then you have the clip that goes in there, so take that out, and then there's these clips here. You just gotta take those off. This holds the pump up, and then once that comes out, this should slide down. Then you take the new fuel pump, just push it right back in, take all the pieces off, put it in, put this clip on, and then you clip this. This is plug and play, same pump in here. Just clip it right back in, and then slide this on, clip that in, and everything's ready back to go. All right, so I plugged it in, put everything back together, turned the key on, nothing. So I chased wires and wires and wires, and I didn't find anything. And then I pulled out this piece up here just to kind of look at it. And yeah, it looks like we had like a short, and it just blew it up. And that is why it was getting 0 power to that. So I bought
just like a $30 one off eBay, and I just cut the harness right off that. Just quick wire there, and done. Because this one fits the fuel pump that I use, so I don't have to rewire this. So that's nice. It's just two nice, easy little connections, and then I'm gonna plug it in. So hopefully put the fuel pump in this time and it turns on and the car runs. All right, so I did test it outside of it just to make sure that all the wiring was good, and it turned on, and it did. So we finally got it all back installed, and we're gonna turn the key on just to prime it up and see. Oh yeah. Turn it off. So after all that headache, we finally got her. I just gotta throw all the seats back in. It's raining. It's disgusting out.
Through the valley, smoking on Cali. Know when I run out, I'll re-up again. Confronted by demons, believe what you're seeing. I hope you know what you're up against. Fell in love with them flowers, shit give me powers when hitting you.